struggle with this. And so there's a fundamental misunderstanding of anxiety and fear in general. So there are two kinds of fear and anxiety. First one is process anxiety, and the second one is performance anxiety. Process anxiety is the fear of not knowing what to do. And the basic solution to this is learning what to do. Increasing competence will reduce performance anxiety. Process anxiety. Performance anxiety, on the other hand, is the fear of actually doing the thing, giving a presentation, talking in front of others. One of the things that I've learned throughout competitions and talking to other competitors is pretty much everybody uses two techniques for this. Because performance anxiety can be broken down into two categories: the physiological and the psychological. Physiological means the body, so you just get a lot of adrenaline because you have the fight or flight instinct. There's some kind of danger, run away from it or attack it. And so you have a lot of adrenaline, and this is when people start shaking. And so the thing to do in this case, most performers do this, is use this energy to connect with the audience, to actually give energy to your audience. The other thing that a lot of public speakers do is actually visualization. They try to imagine for at least a week before the performance, every night before they go to bed, and I do the same thing. Imagine doing the presentation or giving the speech in front of 1,000 people, and imagine feeling good about it. So one of the things is not just imagining it with your head, but generate that feeling in your heart. Because that's the feeling that will stay with you. And when you actually start speaking in front of the audience, your heart will remember that and start doing the same thing while you're performing. The other thing is the psychological part, which is just being scared. And so what you can do there is meditation. I've seen so many public speakers, before they go on stage at competitions, just sitting there, meditating for 5 minutes, because it makes such a difference. So that's something that's worth keeping in mind. And in general, we're going to look at the